Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's maths lesson. And today's lesson title is halves, thirds, and quarters. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to understand that a fraction is an equal part of a whole, halves and quarters of shape. Understand the concept of a unit fraction quarter. And for today's lesson, we need the word fractions, half, quarter, part, whole, and equal. So let's make a quick recap. What makes a whole? Look at here. I have one whole. Look at the circle here. It's one whole. Now here I cut the circle into two halves. I have one half over here, and this is half of the circle. So I have two halves. When I put the two halves together, it will make one whole. Look at the circle again. I cut it into three equal parts. So I cut it into thirds, right? How many? 1, 2, 3. 3/3 make a whole when we put together. And the last one over here, look at this rectangle. I cut it into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters, right? 4 equal quarters make a whole, right? A whole rectangle, when we put the 4 quarters together, it will make a whole. Look at the picture here. What fraction is this? How many parts I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And how many shaded? How many colored parts? 1. So what fraction is this? Quarter. Excellent. Quarter. We write it as 1 and you put down 4. 1 represents the number of shaded parts and 4 represents the total number of parts. Which picture shows quarter? Look at the number 4 down. It means the shape, it has to be cut into 4 parts. So check which one represents quarter. Amazing. This one, number 3, well done. Come on, let's try another one. Which picture shows this fraction over here? The number of shaded parts, it has to be 2. And the total number of parts, it has to be 4, right? So which one, which shape I'm talking about? Which picture I'm talking about? Number 1, 2, or 3? Easy peasy. Well done. MashaAllah, you're doing super amazing job. Now, look at the picture here. How many parts I have in total? Excellent, 4. And how many shaded parts I have? 1. So what fraction is this? Yes, number 2. Well done. Now look at the picture here. How many parts in total I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. How many shaded? Amazing. 3. So what fraction is this? Which one? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Easy peasy. Amazing. Number 3. 3 represents the shaded parts and 4 represent the total number of parts all together. Well done. Now I want you all to get your books and open page number 36 to do the classwork. And this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you inshallah next week, and assalamu alaikum.